Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I have this Lytworx warm white LEDs, 100 of them, for indoor and outdoor, and it has a 6 hours on and 18 hours off timer, USB powered and battery, but I'm not sure exactly which version this is. It's not very clear. USB powered star, battery star, indoor outdoor star. Like, why is there so many caveats? Let's have a look. Please read enclosed instructions before use. So it does contain batteries. So 3 AA's, IP44 rated for the battery box. Presumably has a USB cable inside, 26 centimeters. Controller to first LED, 17 centimeters. Lit length 10 meters, so 10 meters is quite long, and it's got a fixed timer, 6 hours on, 18 hours off. So what I think this means, what I think why they did it this way is because in the evening hours when you want it on, it's going to be on, and then 18 hours, the daylight, and also when the early hours of the morning when no one's going to see them anyway. So that's probably why they came up with this fixed on-off method. Non-replaceable, it doesn't matter. These LEDs last for a long time. And what's this? So you can use USB, but the 5-volt 1 amp USB power adapter is not included. Well, let's have a look what's inside. I thought I would get this for my office to give me some nice ambience, and I really like warm light. I like warm lights. So let's open this. I've got to tell you the price. I think it's about $11 from Bunnings, but I'll put the price right here. Okay, comes with 3 AA batteries. We have a little leaflet saying if it doesn't work, call this number. Well, I won't be calling it. I'll be returning it straight to Bunnings. And some instructions. Pretty self-explanatory. Memory function. After the lights go off for 18 hours, they'll come back on at the same function. So, the battery box has an inbuilt timer function. Once turned on, the lights will illuminate for 6 hours and then turn off. After 18 hours, the lights will illuminate once again. Initially turn the lights on in the evening so that they only operate in darkness. Okay, so we can't just have it on indefinitely. So here's the IP44 rated battery box. There's no rubber seal around it. Oh, actually there is. There's a rubber seal around here. I'm not really sure what IP44 means. I mean, I know about the ratings, but I don't know the specific details of it. And look, that's got like a bit of a rubber flange around it for USB. Oh, this USB connects to here. So this is powered off 5 volts. So technically, let's just hook this up to my USB cable at my desk here. Cool. So that's the first mode. What's the first mode? Combination. I'll press it for waves. Doesn't look like waves to me. Sequential. Oh no, I think I've missed one. This is chasing flash. Slow fade. Twinkle flash. Steady on, off. Alright, that's back to the beginning. Cool, so that powers off USB fine. So essentially what this box is doing is just outputting 5 volts. These AA batteries what are they? 1.5 volts each. So 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3, and then 4.5 for the third one. That's the voltage, 4.5 volts. I'm not sure what this is, what it would be fully charged, but there might be a boost converter or something in there to get it to 5 volts. Let's try it if it works with the AA batteries. Ooh, like that. I can see why it's IP44. Hello, hello. I thought it was responding to my voice. Oh no, I just gotta push it in a bit further. There we go. So it automatically turns on as soon as you give power to it. It's off. Let's see if it remembers the state. So I just want it unsteady. Okay, that's unsteady. So I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to turn it back on. Yay, it's got memory function. That's awesome. So you could leave it like this and it would stay on for 6 hours and then turn off for 18. There we have it. That is the Lytworx warm white LED 100 soft wire lights, indoor or outdoor. Okay, check out where I've put it. I've wrapped it around my IKEA Scatus pegboard. Looks pretty awesome. What do you think?